5 mantras that will boost your self-esteem. A mantra is a positive statement or word that you repeat over and over in order to change the way you are thinking. By doing this, you can remind yourself to alter your focus and to overcome negative emotions. Mantras like this can be used in the moment in order to put your mind at rest and build confidence before an interview, date, exam, or anything else. What really makes mantras powerful, though, is the fact that repeating them every single day can help you to develop positive habits and even grow and thicken your neural tissue so that it becomes easier to think positively as a natural tendency. Without further ado then, let's listen to 5 positive mantras that will boost your self-esteem. Number 1. I have already accomplished a lot. This one is a great one because it reminds you to reflect on your past wins rather than losses, and to remember that no matter what happens in the future, you have already accomplished a great deal. We have all things to be proud of, so if you take a moment to reflect on those things, you'll be able to attack your next challenge with a fresh vigor and positivity. Number 2. I have friends and family who love me. This is a great one to remember because it shows that you must have great value and worth to those people, and also reminds you that whatever else happens, this truth will be a constant. Number 3. I am constantly growing and adapting. Nothing is set in stone. You don't have to accept your limitations because you are constantly growing and improving yourself. By doing this, you are able to see your limitations as temporary challenges to overcome, and not as permanent barriers standing in your way. Number 4. I can choose how to respond. This one is a reminder that you're in control, and that you have an internal focus of control. Many of us feel like victims that are beholden to circumstance and the environment. In truth, though, you are always able to control your response to a situation, and therefore to make the best of a potentially negative situation. Remember this, and you'll be happier and more in command of your own destiny. Number 5. Everyone is equal. This one is great because it's not only a kind message, but also one that helps you take the world by storm. When you remember that everyone is equal, it means that you are also equal. Too many of us think that we are somehow inferior, but by honestly believing that everyone has value, you remind yourself that you do as well. Thus, you have just as much to offer as anyone else, and they better listen up.
For more free educational content, visit learnforfree.biz. Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo.